Hey everyone, I'm Caro, and today I'm visiting the Vizcaya Museum and Gardens. Whether it's your first time or your 10th time here, I'm gonna walk you through everything so you can make the most out of your visit. Getting here is super easy. You can park across the street from the main entrance, and if this lot is full, you can park across the street in the Vizcaya Village. If you're taking the Metro Rail, just get off at the Vizcaya station and take the pedestrian overpass. And you can also take rideshare to get here. You can buy your tickets online just before you arrive, or you could just walk up to the admissions booth. Your ticket includes entrance to the main house, the gardens, all exhibitions, and an audio tour in 5 different languages. You can also book a guided tour based on availability. Just ask the staff member in the admissions booth. Terrain at the estate varies and includes limestone, so please watch your step. If you have mobility concerns, there are ADA accessible pathways and wheelchairs for loan. Trained staff is available to help you in your arrival, so just let us know how we can help. Can't access the upper floors? You can take a virtual tour right here on site. For more detailed information on accessibility, visit vizcaya.org/ADA for a dedicated video. Please watch that next. Need a break? Grab a drink or snack at the cafe and shop. And don't forget to grab a unique souvenir. If you're visiting over the weekend, make sure to visit the Village Café and Sunday Farmers Market. Follow posted signage throughout for restrooms, and you can also find shaded seating all throughout so you can relax and recharge. But don't rest for too long, there's so much to see. The main house has incredible architecture and historic objects, and the gardens full of native plants and great photo ops. Speaking of photos, visitors are more than welcome to take as many pictures as you want. But for a professional photo shoot, the purchase of a permit is required. All the details are online. To help protect Vizcaya for future generations, there are a few simple rules. Please don't touch the artifacts or climb the structures. Bulky items like luggage, double strollers, and certain photography equipment aren't permitted inside the main house, and no flash, please. You may be asked to leave some items at the front entrance. Thank you so much for joining me here today at Vizcaya. Whether you're here for the nature, the history, or just a peaceful escape, you're in for something special. Still have questions? Visit vizcaya.org/visit, and we'll see you soon.